Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will show you how to use the pattern stamp tools without wasting any time. Let's jump into Photoshop. Now this image I have taken it. Now before I have told you clone tool, now I'll tell you pattern stamp tool. It gives the pattern, like from here you can select the pattern from the top side, alignment to alignment, mark, tick mark. Select the pattern, any kind of pattern you want, either the yellow color pattern of flowers or the green leaves or the tree. Let me maximize the brush while closing bracket key to makes the brush size bigger, while opening the bracket key to makes the size of the brush smaller. I'll make it bigger. Then I will apply a pattern and then I will brush it on the image. And it gives me that pattern because I have selected this kind of pattern on the top side. Now if I selected the yellow pattern of flowers, if I apply it, it gives me that kind of pattern on the image because I applied the yellow color pattern I have selected. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.